Oh my God. I can't be sure, but I think this is a ring. The ironclad general. Enough that I'm calling Larry over for digging us. We'll dig it together, dude. It might be gold. Well, it was a low. I'm so used to pull tabs. I'm just like, could be pull tab. But I'm telling you, dude.
That looks like gold from here.
All right, I'm gonna dig it. Let's dig it together.
Oh, it's definitely gold.
Oh my God, look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's bling, there's rocks. Oh my God, this park was a great idea.
Congratulations.
Thank you. I might have won our little contest too.
Might have.
Oh my God.
Serious bling.
Yeah. Oh. All right, I'm gonna hand the phone over to Larry. I'm gonna clean this up a little bit.